It is hard to believe that the holiday season is already upon us, and I love it. Today I'm going to be making a wacky vintage recipe. I'm going to be making a cranberry mayonnaise candle. It's a candle you can eat, and it's a candle you can light. This is going to be a wild one. We need to start by heating up 16 ounces of whole berry cranberry sauce. It's all heated up. Now I have to strain it through a sieve to get the juice out of there. And then we're going to be saving these berries on the side for later. I also need a cup of boiling water and a box of Jell-O. It's best to use a red or a yellow Jell-O. I'm using lemon. I'm going to stir it for 2 minutes to dissolve. I need a tablespoon of lemon juice and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix that in and then allow it to chill slightly. Okay, it took about an hour and it thickened quite a bit. And now it's time for the mayonnaise portion. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm gonna beat that in until light and fluffy. I'm chopping up an apple. Add those apples and those leftover cranberries and fold that all together. You can add some nuts too. Then you add that to the vessels. That's gonna become your candles. And these are gonna become your candles. You just have to chill them in the fridge at least 4 hours. I'm chilling them overnight. Okay, they've hardened. Now comes the hard part of trying to get them out of the cups. I think I'm gonna try to use scissors. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. So for the candle part, you're supposed to take an actual birthday candle and cut it in half. And push it into that candle. Like that. Wow. And then you light the candle. Now, isn't that cute? But how does it taste? Would you light my candle? Fa la 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 la. Okay, cranberry mayonnaise candle. I will tell you the actual recipe called for a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I just couldn't do it, so I just used the 2 tablespoons. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my. Let's see how it tastes. It has a weird flavor. I don't know if lemon and cranberry mixed is a good combination. I'm not noticing the mayonnaise, which is a wonderful thing. But it has a yucky flavor, like a rancid flavor. It's not a tasty candle, but it sure is cute. Why did the candle recite Shakespeare? It wanted to wax poetic. Candles.